Welcome back to our English listening practice series. Today we have an exciting session prepared for you. But before we dive into the conversation, make sure you're ready to sharpen your listening skills. Grab a notepad and pen, or use your favorite note-taking app because we've got a stimulating conversation coming up with 5 questions to test your understanding. Let's start our conversation.
So, Natalie, what is a typical day for you? For example, what is a typical morning?
Well, I wake up at about 7 a.m.
Oh, that's early.
Yes, I really am a morning person.
I think you are a morning person. I'm not a morning person at all.
Well, I don't actually get out of bed until about 7:30.
Okay, so what do you do?
Well, I play on my phone, I check my emails, I check Facebook, and I read the news.
Uh, and do you eat breakfast at home?
I usually prepare breakfast at home, yeah.
What do you eat?
Oh, just the simple stuff. Eggs, bacon, sausages. Sometimes I'll have toast.
Do you drink coffee or tea?
No, I don't like coffee or tea.
Oh, what do you drink?
Actually, I like hot chocolate in the morning.
Yeah, I like hot chocolate too. So, what about your day?
Well, I'm a teacher. I teach at a school. Lessons start at about 9 a.m. and we have lunch at noon.
How many classes do you have in the morning?
Each class lasts an hour, so I have 3 classes.
Do you eat lunch at school?
Yes, we have a huge canteen.
Ah, is the food good?
The food is great, and it's so much fun eating with the students, too.
Is the food cheap or expensive?
It's pretty cheap. I'd say maybe $3 for lunch.
Oh, that's really good.
Yeah, and for that, you get a lot of food.
What do you do in the afternoon?
In the afternoon, I have more lessons, usually taking me till about 4 p.m.
Oh, and do you have big classes?
Yes, so I teach English. That means I teach the whole year, so I have really big classes. We have about 200 students at the school.
That's a lot.
Yes, it is.
What about the evening? What do you do in the evening?
When I get home, I'm usually really tired. So I get changed into my pajamas and I watch TV for about 2 hours. After that, I'll maybe have some dinner, maybe get a pizza, and then read a book or play on my phone again.
What do you watch on TV?
I really like watching Korean drama.
Korean dramas are cool.
I know, the characters are so much fun.
Do you listen to K-pop?
A little bit, but I think it's a little bit boring. I prefer American pop.
Oh, so you like Korean dramas and American music.
That's right. I also like game shows.
Ah, what game shows?
Well, actually, my favorite one is Busted, and that's also Korean.
Okay, I need to see that. So, when do you go to bed?
Most nights I go to bed at around 10 p.m., but at the weekend, sometimes it's later, maybe around midnight.
Well, I think you have an interesting and long day.
That's right, I'm usually very tired.
Hello, Chantal.
Hello.
Let's play a game.
Okay,
Can you guess the famous person?
let's play.
Okay, person number one. She is American.
Okay,
She is a singer. She is young. She is about 25 years old. And now she is very famous. Her hair is blonde, and she's very cute and very pretty.
is it Taylor Swift?
Yes, correct. Ding, 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 ding.
Woo.
Okay, so the next person is also very famous. He is from Argentina. He is a soccer player. He is very good at sports, and he is on a team in Spain.
On a team in Spain.
Yeah, he is very good. He is a little short, but he is quick. He is very fast.
I don't watch soccer so much, but is it Cristiano Ronaldo?
No. Oh, it is Lionel Messi.
Ooh, I don't know
Oh
who
no.
he is.
Ronaldo is the rival of Lionel Messi.
I see.
Okay, so 1-1. All right, ready? Next one. This person is from Hong Kong. He is older. He is my age, about 50, maybe older. He is good at martial arts. He is in many movies.
Okay.
Oh, also he is funny. He is very funny.
Is it Jackie Chan?
Yes, correct. Ding, ding, ding. Okay, so now let's switch. You ask me.
Okay. This person is a woman. She is American. And she is a very famous singer in the United States and in the world. And she is married to a very famous rapper. Do you know who she is?
Is she Beyonce?
Yes, very
Hey.
good.
Bing, 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 bing.
She is Beyonce.
Oh, nice.
Okay, are you ready for the next person?
I'm ready.
Okay. He is a Jamaican and he runs really fast.
Okay. He is fast. He's from Jamaica.
And he is so fast, he joined the Olympics and won many times.
Is he a gold medal winner?
He is a gold medal winner.
Oh, I know.
Who is it?
It is Usain Bolt.
Correct.
Hey.
Ding, ding, ding.
Thanks, Chantal.
That's all for today's English listening practice. I hope you found this session helpful and enjoyable. Remember, practice makes perfect, so keep working on your listening skills, and you'll see improvement in no time. Don't forget to review your notes and answers. Keep learning, keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next lesson. Goodbye, and take care.